Hey everybody, this is Jay here at Action Power Sports in beautiful Waukesha, Wisconsin. Just had to shoot a quick video on one of the coolest machines we have in stock right now. This is a 2019 Polaris RZR Turbo EPS, which is of course the electronic power steering, which is a really nice feature, especially when you're out on the trail with this beast. As you can tell, this is the RZR Turbo 4, meaning 4-seater. And I really love the seats on these things. And of course, one of my favorite features, as always, gotta love the cup holders. But yeah, it's another highlight. It's got the Walker Evans adjustable suspension, really cool rims and tires. I love this blue and black color combo. And Polaris is doing their Factory Authorized Clearance event now through the end of August. So if you'd like more information on saving thousands of dollars off of new, hit me up. Again, this is Jay here at Action Power Sports, where I'd be honored to put this brand new 2019 Polaris RZR Turbo 4 in your garage.